Episode 40, Week 40 usage, the 28th of September to the 4th of October. As usual, there's a description below of the setup we have at home, but here's a quick diagram explaining the system. And moving straight on to the mileage for the week, we've done 98 miles in the Egolf, 34 miles in the Model 3, which is 132 miles for the week. The generation meter is now reading 32,434 kilowatt hours, which is giving us 48 kilowatt hours for the week and 3,532 kilowatt hours for the year. The My Energy Eddi is now showing 274 kilowatt hours for the year and 0.55 kilowatt hours for the month so far. And we've imported 179 kilowatt hours for the week, which is now 7,716 kilowatt hours since the start of 2020. Moving on to the Tesla data, we've had a home usage for the week of 220 kilowatt hours. We've had 46.1 kilowatt hours from the solar, 77.3 kilowatt hours directly from the Powerwall. We've had 181 kilowatt hours pulled from the grid and 0.4 kilowatt hours back into the grid. On Monday the 28th of September, we pulled 5.6 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.1 going back. We got 13 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We got 7.7 kilowatt hours from the solar, and we had a home usage of 18.1 kilowatt hours. On Tuesday the 29th of September, we pulled 11.5 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 8 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We got 11.3 kilowatt hours from the solar, and we had a home usage of 18.2 kilowatt hours. On Wednesday the 30th of September, we pulled 13.4 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 10.1 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We only got 3 kilowatt hours from the solar, and we had a home usage of 20.5 kilowatt hours. And on Thursday the 1st of October, so a new month starting and it's starting to get very cold at home, we had a grid pull of 21.6 kilowatt hours with 0.1 going back. We got 6.8 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 12.6 kilowatt hours, which was the best solar contribution we had all week, and we had a home usage of 24.6 kilowatt hours. And the little spike right at the end of the day of blue in the graph is the boiler just starting to kick in because it starts to get cold in the house. On Friday the 2nd of October, we pulled 38.1 from the grid with no going back. We got 14.6 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 4.3 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 44.9 kilowatt hours. We did do a little bit of car charging on 2nd of October, and also the boiler was kicking in just before the peak time and the early morning. On Saturday the 3rd of October, we pulled 43.9 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 13.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We got 0.6 kilowatt hours from the solar, and so a very poor day for the solar, and a home usage of 44.6 kilowatt hours. And again, the boiler's done some activity again. On Sunday the 4th of October, we pulled 47.1 kilowatt hours from the grid with 0.1 going back, and I did charge the Model 3 on Sunday night because that was the cheapest cost for the electricity on Agile. We got 11.5 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 6.6 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 50 kilowatt hours. As usual, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you've got any comments, please add it to the section below.